I want to know show this Zenit E camera that I have. This is a slight crack here. I think crack or scratch. But the good thing is that it actually works. The light meter works. Sure. See? It works. So this is the front. This is one side. This is the other side. The top. The back. Is a serial number. And the bottom. Okay, light meter works, so this is very good. Show you inside. Let's engage the speed. Okay, 500 works. 250. 250 works. Nice and strong. 125, nice and strong. 60. 60, nice and strong. 30. 30, nice and strong. Bulb mode. Bulb mode, nice. Alright, so it fully works, just that it has some cosmetic blemishes. So, oh yeah, I'm gonna show you the viewfinder as well. No, the viewfinder is dirty. Ayo, why like this? No. Ayo. But okay, there you go. Gonna sell this as the conditions has shown. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.